We were sent this water bottle carrier for our review, and this one is actually pretty cool, and you're gonna see in the B-roll why we love it so much, because it's not just a carrier, it actually has magnets, and you can see why the magnets are important, because the gym that we go to does not let us bring gym bags and things like that. They don't want that mess around there. So most of the time, my wife will have our car keys in one pocket, I'll have my phone in another pocket, and our bottles are basically just on the floor. We get to a machine and we grab our bottles and all our stuff, right? Well, here you have everything in one, and the bag will actually attach to whatever machine, whatever equipment you are on, which I think is really, really cool. It does come with this strap, which is really handy if you want to have it over your shoulder, but I prefer just to have it like this. It's very, very simple, and it makes everything super kind of compact. So let me show you. The water bottle obviously fits right at the bottom, or at the top right here. It does have kind of like that little string, which you can make sure that it's really there secure. And then you've got that nice compartment. You've got a zipper right here. I could put my headphone carrying case on there as well. And then, of course, you got keys, wallet, what have you. It's a really big pocket as well, which is really nice. What I love about this when it's actually strapped in is that I can actually drink out of the bottle without taking the bottle out of the bag, which is a great little add-on. But yeah, the magnet, it's where it's at. I mean, we are getting huge looks around the gym because everyone wants one of these, and I can't blame them.